Hello. In this video, we are going to install MySQL. Uh, Open your favorite browser. In that browser, go to MySQL download. The first one is MySQL download. Here, the first one link is there, MySQL download. Then click on this one, and this redirect to the page. Here, go to the MySQL community GPL download and click on this. And this is the community downloads. Here, the repositories is there, routers is there, shells is there, but we want to install in our Windows. So we install here MySQL installer for Windows. Click here, and it's go to the MSI installers. Here, the MSI installers have two types. One is the 2.1 MB and another one is the 352 MB. Here the 32-bit this shows only a 32-bit, but this 352.2 MB this shows a Windows offline downloader. Here the MSI bit is 32-bit is there now. This one is compatible to 64-bit also. So download this and don't log in or sign up if they're not required. No thanks, just start my download. After the clicking just my download is here, it's downloading. The file is downloaded. Click on this one. It's asking for run the file. Run. Prepare to install. Here now it's installing. The PC have to take an permission S. Again it had taken permission S. This window is installer window. In this window, first choose your setup type. Here go to custom because we want only a server, workbench, and shell. So go to custom and next click on next, and there is a server product. Here the server product, go to the server, click on this server 0.8.041 x 64-bit and push to the product to be installed and go to the application. Here the workbench is there. Go to there, click on this, click this and push on to the product to be installed and go to the shell. We want only get three. One is a server, another one is a workbench, and another one is shell. Go to shell, click on this and push to the product to be installed and click on next. And this installation asking for the execution ready to install execute. The last one is MySQL shell. Let's installing. The products are installed completely and successfully. Next, go to next. Click here, product configuration. We have to configure the products. So next, click on next. And some of the pieces takes the Microsoft Visual C++ redistribution for Visual Studio 2019. My PC have already the installation, so they didn't ask anything. Some of that you have to download that C++ Visual Studio, so it will redistribute it, so it will help you. And actually, it gives some links to download, and that time you must download all these things. And next, click on next. It is the test and network, and this is the port number. And go to next. Here, use strong password encrypted authentication recommended. So we have to use password for that. So next, here the accounts and roles. Here the my account default account is root. So if you want any other, if you want to do another account, just here click on add user and edit your user account. So I use my root account, and here I will give my password. Again, repeat my password, and password strength is medium. It's not an issue. And click on next. This is a Windows service name and a Windows service here. And next, uh, this is the file permissions. I give my file permission. This is the root root path for the file permission. Okay, next. And here the configuration setup. I already have applied all the I just configured all the types and network authentication method, accounts and roles, Windows service and service file permissions. Now I am applying the configuration. Execute, and all configuration is applied now. Like all the configuration finish, and here the product configuration is done, and click on next. And this I'm checking on to start my MySQL after setup and my shells after setup, and click on next. Finish. This is the shell, MySQL shell, and this is the workbench, and this is my workbench now. This is the root user, and click on this, asking for the password, giving my password. Okay, this is my user bench, workbench, and this is my shell, and here MySQL command line, and this is my MySQL command line. Here I'm giving my password to open, and I create one database. Use that database. Create one table. Now I'm creating the table. Create your table. So then uh, you can uh, well, this is thing how to install the MySQL in your PC.